Assuming we are working with a downtrend, you would use slow and fast moving volume average and begin by drawing a trend line for resistance side of the trend. Once you have drawn that trend line, then you can begin looking at other type of confirmations. Traditional confirmations are not explored in this book. Notice that line is drawn down and connected at top of resistance points. When market breaks through the level as reversal, market offers an entry point at breaching point, provided other volume indicators such as ROI are in agreement. If market does not come back and open and close below the trend line after the reversal, then it is considered a legal crossover. In future, if market comes back to this level, it should bounce off the level as possible new reversal entry, especially if there is also a horizontal S90 crossover and Fibonacci level in general area of S90 crossover trend wall strike. This sounds very complicated. Figure 8.3 demonstrates the return of market and bounce trade opportunity. Notice the hole or space that was created during the market each time it returned to the trend line. The hole is something that many traders do not count as confirmation for a future trade. However, a second deliberate hole in market with volume indicators in agreement regarding direction of market flow has generated many positive trades for those who have open minds and learning something different. This figure recognizes a second hole that has developed from a trend wall that will eventually offer a trend wall S90 crossover. The market breached the trend wall after forming second hole in market. The breach was just satisfied by the trend wall and additional confirmations that were related to volume indicators. Larger time compressions are best suited for this trade entry. In this figure, point A to point B is hole 1 for uptrend, point B to point D is hole 2 for uptrend. When the market created point D, the oscillating indicator at the bottom of chart was heading down. This means that market was more likely to fall than rise. This is what we refer to as breach. The market could not stay above trend line. The majority of time after a breach, the market will hook back to trend line and then continue to move away. This hook is represented by point E. In the case of an uptrend, a trend line is drawn by connecting the bottom supports. This figure shows the return of market and bounce trade opportunity as a result of an uptrend. The market coming to a trend line and having some sort of reaction as either bounce or breach. The prediction of direction is usually detected by smaller time compression ROIs. Just as in previous example, notice the hole or space that was created during market. As mentioned earlier, a hole or semicircle found within the trend is something that many traders do not count as confirmation for future trade. However, a second deliberate hole in market with volume indicators in agreement regarding direction of the market flow has continued to generate many positive trades. Although all time compressions may offer this type of entry opportunity, larger time compressions are best suited for a trade entry of this type due to recognition of more volume.